Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And a couple years ago, I made a macro with one keystroke, and I'm going to hit my escape button because it's at the top left of my keyboard, so it's going to put the box at the top left. Put even a circle. So to do any shape, you have to go through a few steps, and I've got a macro on that if you'd like to watch it. But we're going to make a macro where it's going to put it a 1/4 inch down and off. If you put something in the top left corner, and you need to cut this out. I'm not going to say all lasers, but my laser and Epilogue will not cut that line because it's right on the ruler. So let's make a hotkey for that. Let's go to Tools and Scripts. Yours might say Macros, depending on what version you have. Start recording. We're going to call it top left 2 for a 1/4 inch, or number 2. Now, there's no hurry to do this. But with your object origin in the top left corner, type in 0, 0. Now that's already done, but if you change shapes, that won't always work. So you have to go to Windows, Dockers, Align and Distribute, align it to the left, align it to the top, and align it to page edge. Then I've got my nudge factor, or my duplicate, my nudge distance on 0.25, then go down and to the right one time. Then go back up to Tools, Scripts, and stop recording. Now let's put this, and let's do another shape also. And we're gonna get rid of this docker. We're gonna go to Tools and Scripts or Macros, depending on which one yours says. And we're gonna double click on it and put it a 1/4 inch off the top. Now, let's make a hotkey for that. Right-click, assign a hotkey, new hotkey. I'm going to hit the escape key and the numeral 2 at the same time. Assign it. Say OK. Now, escape and the number 2. Escape and the number 2. So it's a 1/4 inch, and you can have it a 1/4 inch, a 1/16 of an inch, 1 inch, whatever you want. But if you do a lot of cutting in the corner of a plywood to save wood and for it to work, you can create that macro. I hope that helped a little bit.